Hey everybody, I hope that y'all are having an amazing day. So today we are outside and we are about to plant some potatoes. I had to double check to make sure that the soil was loose because the soil has been frozen here for a while. So the soil is very loose. It's not, it is very loose. So I am going to go ahead and plant some potatoes today. I have some Yukon Gold that I got from the store, and they have been growing eyes. I don't chip them, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Chip means, I believe, that you're going to actually cut them to get more than one potato. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and plant them down as whole potatoes because I have a whole nother bag that I need to work on as well. Well, they have some eyes in them. So here's another one. And I'm only gonna put, I'm gonna put 3 in here because I don't want to get too crowded. And then all I'm gonna do is just cover them. Make sure they have good coverage. This soil is wet, so I don't plan on, I don't need to do anything to it because the soil is already wet. So I'm also gonna go ahead and dig holes and put 2 potatoes in each one of these small bags. Okay, y'all, so next I'm gonna plant 2 types of sugar snap pea. Well, I'm gonna plant these sugar snap peas that I have, and I'm also gonna plant these arrow peas, which we call sweet peas. So you're supposed to plant these early spring. I'm gonna go ahead and see what it does. Okay, y'all, so when I'm in this bucket, I'm gonna plant my green arrow peas, and there's no method to it. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I have planted these so that I can see them how they're spaced, and then all I'm going to do is just slightly push them down and make sure that they are covered in soil. Basically what I want to do, I have these in here because once they start to grow up, I can kind of move them around and maneuver the plants around them. Okay, so lastly, I am planting my sugar snap peas today, and there's no rhyme or reason here how I put them. As you can see, I have more sticks on the ground, so if I need to add more sticks here, I can, and so I'm just going to be pushing these down. Okay, so each one of these are buried and they're done, so that is all I'm going to do for the day. I was going to come out here and pick some collard greens. For some reason, I feel like these collard greens are about to bolt. So I feel like I definitely need to be picking these. I don't know. I could be wrong. They just look like they are going to bolt.